if you've got a question or two, Jamie.
Hey, Michael, thank you so much. I just want to get a little bit about some nitty-gritty tips on the Facebook group, which now I wasn't too sure whether that was prospects only or prospects and clients, and what level of interaction and engagement you or your clients would have in that Facebook group.
Yeah, good. So there are two. So we have a Facebook group purely which is meant for prospects. Mm-hmm. Clients will be in there, but it's run as a prospect group. And then we have purely client group, which is purely for clients. So within the prospect group, there's a few things that we want to try to achieve. Yep. And in fact, a big thing and a bit of a change that we've gone to, and already in just 2 days, we've seen a huge difference, is your prospect group, you've got to see it like it's a big party and you're the host of the party. You're not the person at the front that the party has to listen to the whole time. And I think we make a mistake around that, going, well, it's my group, you're in here, you want to hear from me, and therefore you're the only one that talks. So within the prospect group, a big thing that we want is we want engagement, and we want them to feel that it is a peer group rather than a Michael group. So that's a big thing in there. Now, within our prospect group, the way we bring people into our prospect group is that we run once a week a weekly exclusive training just for that group there. So something like this, 30 odd minutes, where you've got to be part of the group to actually get that exclusive training. We won't share that anywhere else except for within our group. The whole purpose is engagement, conversation, get them being able to share, because simply the more they're doing that, the more then our group pops up on their news feed for their networks to find our group, and we're getting more and more free exposure. Okay? So that prospect group is a standalone, and it works very differently to the client group, which is more so tactic strategies that I want our guys to be using this particular week. We put up replays of our weekly implementation session or our monthly planning session, or etc. We still want engagement. It's more accountability in our client group. It's about more so keeping them accountable and keeping them doing the things which will get them the result, where the prospect group is more fun. Fun's not the right word. It's more making them realize that we are the go-to for the problem that they have.
So in that once a week exclusive training in your prospect group, I suppose the art is developing the fine line between keeping them engaged and delivering some level of value, but not giving away everything that they'd have to pay for in your client group.
Yeah, okay, good. So here's my thinking on that. Clients do not become clients because you've got more stuff to give them. Clients become clients because they want to be held accountable and they want to get the result faster than what they can get themselves. If you went into our Facebook group, you followed us on YouTube, you listened to subscribe to us on our podcast, you could have everything you needed to do what we teach. Everything's there. What you don't have is a size 13 shoe kicking your backside, making sure that you get it done within 12 months, versus it would probably take you 3, 4, 5 years for the pennies to finally come together and drop. So that's what I constantly talk about too, that you could go and get everything. It's the speed of implementation. That's why clients become clients.
That's a fantastic insight. Thanks, Michael.
Yeah, no, pleasure.
Fantastic.